Hi, just arrived into stock this lovely VW Golf GTI. Now this is a lovely car. It's the newest model. This one was registered in November 2023, so it's only a couple of months old. This has got some factory options that you can no longer get on these cars, so a very rare car indeed. This one's got over £5,300 worth of factory options, and it's finished in probably the best colour. So we're finished in this Moonstone Grey. Looking round it shows the lines of the car very well. We've got lots of red detailing, obviously accents of the GTI on the wings, on the brake calipers, this lovely eyebrow on top of your headlamps. LED lights all throughout, so you get this lovely LED strip which runs all through the front of the car. Integrated lower fog lamps in the grills. Upgrade alloy wheels, that's a big factory option. These are 19-inch 5 twin spokes, diamond turned, with the lovely gloss red calipers in there. Mega factory option is the panoramic glass roof. We've got privacy glass, we've got the factory option of the reversing camera on this one as well. Loads of luggage space. Obviously, being a Golf, it's a car that does absolutely everything very well. But then you've also got 245 brake horsepower to play with. Obviously, this vehicle's done just over 1,000 miles, so obviously condition-wise, it's absolutely pristine. Looking inside, lovely ergonomic seats, GTI seats, lovely grey red pattern down the centre to commemorate the old GTI tartan seats, I suppose. Jumping inside, specification, you get absolutely everything on these. So again, factory option, lovely HARMAN KARDON surround sound system. You've got the sports display on this one, so you only really used to get these on the older Audi S's, RS's, but you've got the nice sports gauges there. You can adjust the view, it's a virtual cockpit, so it's fully adjustable. You can get your satellite navigation up on there, fully interchangeable as well. So if you want to, on the side, you've got all your audio, navigation, speed, acceleration, G-forces, and then same goes for the other side. You've got all your different fuel consumptions, operating systems, navigation. We've got blind spot monitoring system, park folding mirrors, automatic lights, 4 electric windows, winter package, so that gives you the heated front seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, all your volume and media controls. Now, as you can imagine, when it comes to phone connectivity, you've got full phone usage on this car. So you've got Apple CarPlay, obviously Bluetooth audio, you've got separate users, vehicle information on there, so all your driving data, radio, media, you've got all the extended channels, and then you've got all the lovely screens on there, so navigation, vehicle consumptions, lovely little shifter knob, that of similar to the sort of Porsche 911s at the moment, this lovely little stubby knob. Coming through, park, auto hold, and then again the lovely panoramic glass roof. So if you'd like anything further on the car, give us a call, 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thanks for watching.